Since I was young, I liked working with kids, and I thought about being a teacher and going into that, but then I thought I needed to specialize, and so I looked into that and found speech therapy, working specifically with kids one-on-one and on special things and helping them succeed. And so I work with little children in their homes and with their families to help them learn to communicate. So there's two different things you can do as a speech therapist when you work in a school system. You can work with kids who are like kindergarten through 12th grade and work on speech therapy. And you can also work on what I do, and that's my passion, is working early on, which is the little kids in their homes, so 0 to 3. You know, every parent dreams of their child's first word, and I get to help them get their child to say their first word, and that's amazing when you're in the home with the family and, you know, been working and the parent just wants their child to say mom for the first time, and they finally do, and it's an amazing experience. If you go into this career, you have to be a very giving person because you serve other people, you provide for them. You know, it gives you little bits on, that, you know, I'm so happy that little kid is talking now and he said his first word, but you're giving a lot. And that's what this career is about, is giving back. There's beginning level speech therapy classes in the college that you can take to see if that might interest you. A lot of the students who go into speech therapy maybe knew a speech therapist or had speech therapy as a child, and so that's why the students get into speech therapy. We've had students job shadow us, and so having a high school student at the school so they could see what we do. I love Northern Michigan just because of all the seasons. It's never the same in one day or in a week. You know, the beautiful water and the nature and the woods and the small town atmosphere is great too. You know, it's not the big hustle and bustle like downstate.